chitibu. Tunda chitibu. Moweyele. 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 Tuwa no muwe. Moweyele. Tunda chitibu. Moweyele. Yawa mwetu. Moweyele. Tunda chitibu. Moweyele. Wawa mwetu. Moweyele. Tunda chitibu. Moweyele. Mwezi chamu. Moweyele. Tunda chitibu. Moweyele. Mwezi kwemenda. Moweyele. Tunda chitibu. Moweyele.
Good morning, country people. Them we salute those who they don't shit down for front their television for Siam. How it happen today, man? It no be there. Plenty people them they don't type face say this. So what did really happen? Now because it is so some kind of thing the way. Maybe they happen with Turiman, and not forget the energy for satisfy country people and where they did for upside. But today we don't turn back with full energy and plenty thing and the way we get for show 'em. When I not say this, so when Turiman he go someplace, he want turn back, he must bring thing where use yourself, you never see him. What is the main news for inside Cameroon and what happen for inside Douala and for side for Limbe? May we internal for we strong number them. Strong number one na Palava fake Matango where they catch them for inside Corbison na quarter where they for inside Yaounde and na for Yaounde 7 na we kito them they enter for inside this my compound wetty they see them for inside na white mimbo where they say they take cassava take again flour where they take a make pop off after they take sugar mix them with water and then na where people them they drink them so they don't drink them any man they cry only belly last investigation he go so they go round they say they so now for marché Moko where they say 1 cup for 50 francs you go take 50 francs take them go buy 6 day now question where all man it ask them. And then number 2 to turn to rain na Palava this camion we catch fire for place where they call am Denye Poto e then for site for New Bell where you come up for site for Saint Michel you pass Grand Camion after Grand Camion you reach now for Denye Poto na we camion where a carry thing where they call am na blocks for go be house na we carry for here tire them they start the catch fire they call Sape Pompier from Godi Aqua where e be get for take site for Skyabasi pass for back Janamiri Mbopi come off for Kiloberi Sem before he reach here. USSF is succeed for Cam and then he succeed for Lossam. This one he knocking no person. Another strong number he come over side for Donga and Mantum Division. Place where they call him na from Bot, that means for Upper Bot, where this one he happen. Na cow them where will I see him in the waka. But trouble they trouble na say waiting, na say some title holder is there for inside trouble. For site for Binju, for police the hand. Where to this man he don't do harm, this man he don't do waiting. He don't cut cow for some countryman for that side from Bot village. Now the cow them that 6 in number and 1 he died on the spot. And they talk to this so this title holder where they call him na Shea Boniface Chefon. Shea Boniface Chefon. Now where he don't cut the cow them. Say they so cow if you first catch up is working, they talk for pay and they don't pay have money have it remain. But this cow if it pass na pass, it take collapse now where a chapiaram with them. So man where they call him Dr. Yauba Saido, where he says self a day for outside country, na a cow where this countryman na in that na Shea Boniface that where he do work. So now with the talk, police it don't really take this man for take his statement. Sense to read for sham morning time, he talk say waiting. Sense to read for sham morning time, he tell we say when lizard he belly the bite. He not get for complaint because he the use na belly take waka. When lizard he belly the bite, the lizard he not get for complaint because he the use na that belly take waka. Person we say them for we they call him Mr. Daniel Ekebe. Daniel Ekebe they send them for we for play where they call him say for Ngong. Ngong village, it didn't have side for Njikwa subdivision for site for Northwest region. Ma Jacinta is supporting for side with the color Manawabe. Manawabe is for side for Limbe, and Limbe too is inside Fako. Fako is for side for Southwest, Southwest now for Cameroon. Njangi, we come back, we go tell the talk. We need to waste two salute for some woman where he like for watch the program before he go for farm. They call and say, Ma Tabeta Njie, they send them for we for that site for Njikwa. May we stand now for chapter 1 and not say, oh man, not take chase down. Number where it go appear for front television. Now number where you get for send win a message. Or na number where you get for send win message for WhatsApp. Me man not call that number with the beg when I beckham. Although for Cameroon we know the year 12, but with the year 13. So this number na WhatsApp number only. Chapter 1, may we enter now for chapter 1. We talk palava where I for a camera for LTM, you don't see them. Inside Yaounde 7. Now this palava, matango where they don't fix them. If they be toxic man fi make wide mimbo. So take people that they drink. Man for accept, man not for accept. Me will go see the matango. Well, now time this way, police come out. We don't hear the story. It fly they go. The one go reach where the show say they so the people them they don't lock Dumont. And council worker then they get for open them because law for Cameroon it talks say they so. Team where bat place where batting it dey that means say they get for Siam. So you don't open them. Consumer what did they inside? You did not come back. Open them. Open them we see where they inside because the population for inside Yaounde they get for no say they dey for permanent danger. If not be LTM you go see them. I say open that Dumont, not the waste me time. Sometimes when I don't take BB gate only money for take for bill gate day it pass 3 million. Inside house, you know to see the house, but na kakuwe it come inside. Now this. All Mulunga house when I see so all these gallon them. Now the gallon them when they use them, mix sugar with flour when they use them for make puff. And then put candy inside. Even thing where they come and say yeast. They mix them. And then come out and we get white color. Now where they go now for Moko market. Seasonal way now market for choke head them. Any man time where son, he don't know if I find, he say give me 1 cup here. He not give 50 for down. He take him. Can. He no say this so. That 50 na money way if you take and buy different thing. He take and go buy sick. All these gallon the way when I say so they come up for inside here. And now here where the company they. This LTM go show wonder. Now where Kito they don't come. They say steakhouse almost day. Now commandant that. That woman now commandant for brigade for Corbison. Now the 2 boys and this, they say they how many number? When are they how many? They say there's 9 there. So even those what they said they inside. Commandant enter inside. How you return on the back? Enter. Come out and me we see. So now them that they talk to they so they bring matango inside bush. Before now, when they bring the 1 gallon, they can't transform them. It turn 5 gallon. So any member where you drink up, even beer, not just in a fine water. The one where they fix them for done quarter a day. The one when the company fix them a day. The one where they come up for inside bush themselves a day. So now where they don't talk to this, so they must go answer question now for brigade. And for inter brigade for Cameroon, now one thing. For come out, now one thing. Me we see now part 2 now them that. Where they don't catch up. When they how many? Who said the rest? They say they don't enter Sosongo. Me we go now again see part 2. I say part 2 now die. When I go see I'm fine now. Gendarme and a police plus anti-gang. They say. Now them that. Now inside this bag where they go buy sugar. They buy flour. They buy even na corn and flour too. Yes. They take fufu. When they don't grind them, they can't mix them. Since I get the very color. Commandant, you say you don't see them. And now inside your quarter. When they ever part with them, you know the Siam. Now in that. Now come flower that. I say now come flower that. This one now flower where they mix and from pop off. Now where they mix at one time with the water and then put sugar inside. You see them? You see them? Now matangorat. It don't be ready for drink. When they make another catch fly and send it inside. So the way you want to see them, you go talk say no, this one na pop up. They don't know say that so. One day they go catch them. Now motor this way don't carry them, bring them from Moko market for can sell them. And people that they buy them, take and drink. Anyhow way they now only God in the local way for this country. If not be God, sometimes we don't die all. Now why that way they sing them? Me we give life for Christ. Now you the seller now drink and me we see them. And you don't drink them, eh? This woman now one of the seller. He they come buy them, go sell them for Mokolo. How he dey for Mop? He don't smile. You dey smile so when I say when you don't drink them, you don't know. We come on now with internet site for Douala, where they say this old town where any man be big man. Place where they call and say Denye Poto. For those where they don't know, if you come over Aqua, you could reach for Deseglis. You go down, you pass for Kabasi, you go again up, you go for CZM, Commissariat CZM, you pass from Kololo, you pass for Togodin before you reach for place where they call Ancestors on Kololo. Where you pass them, you reach for this place where they call and say Denye Poto. If you come on your own side for Ndokoti, where you want pass for True Right, you reach for Kilometer, you take Benny corner for left, you reach here. When you come on the side for Village, where you want pass through Dakar, you pass Brazzaville, you come now for 10 minutes, and then you go up Grand Canyon, you reach for Denye Poto. I say this motor, where it carry now this block, cement block. For go here, me then take and be house. Last, it won't carry for here. Smoke is start to come out for tire. I say smoke is start to come out for tire. All man they holler. Those where they carry na sand, those where they carry na stone. We be talk say man where they call this number for WhatsApp. That means say inside your head, instead of brain, na inside water they inside because they know they call number way na WhatsApp. I say the camion, it don't turn up for day. Driver succeed for come out. Now run where you want see him. Then they bring a stone. Then they lost fire with the stone. They said no, they want move na head for battery. When I move up quick. And for opposite, when I see him, now that thing for Shinua that. Now that thing where Shinua become important for day. They say whether na Balok or na Golo where they will bring a mo. You know me go for China. You go meet up statue for Cameroon for day. For Cameroon, we accept all things. We don't know whether na Golo they don't put them or na Balok. And canker accident. Some people hold them for that place where they don't try for flop them, so they pass. When I make a quick also sapet pompe day. And for come on here, go from Godi Aqua enough far away. Sideway, firefighter them, they shidon. Me we see time where sapet pompe don't come. Because man we get Bonangeri for that side, we don't the vex. Say they so that the West time so my Bonangeri go catch fire. Oh, sapet pompe don't come one time. It don't come, it can't see say they so don't bat. As it come, some taximan for in front, where they so to force the skin. It is also force the skin. Get your now pass. And when they don't talk to this, so when you hear pom, when a firefighter brigade they pass, me you get chance for road. Because if you go so now for go help some person, me not die. I need to go to where if you go lost fire for some place. When taxi man see him, it is also strong head. When Okada man is see him, it is also strong head for road. And since sape pompe them, they don't feel jump person. I say when I can't quick, oh that when I pipe down boss again. Now them that. These people that they work fine work sometime, they know they work fine work, but this one, they don't try. Correct! I say when I lost them upside down. When I lost them upside down, it is also catch. They take all that time for join all the pipe them. Because they don't overboss and they don't cut and plenty. And when we get the capital for take buy the fine one day. We get capital for take buy the fine one. Now that I said the way where the fire be the catch. Now Kim and pay. Where? For Cameroon, Mami, Asha. For Cameroon, they talk say when they no call number, you dey call. When I also carry big head them, like say, na kako. I don't know whether they head them to the reason. Mami said that's what I pick a camion. Another camion they give chop. Mami says last collapse because it don't talk say sapet them. When I lost and quick oh sapet they waste time for join that pipe. Now time this way water don't touch them. Now time this way water don't touch them. Now Mami that say when I come on this side, when I come this side, when I come this side, they know the year. Since that for Cameroon we know the year 12. Mama look out and it lasts 4 for day. So for Cameroon, when you get camion, you forget another camion way it could lost fire. Because if you just get that camion way with the wrong money, they will catch fire, you go do how? Live and country man. Me we go now for side where they call and say wait. We could go now for Makia. For go see film where boy that they act for side for Douala. Makia is then inside New Bell. Commandant Awal for Jemin for Douala, he don't come out with a boy and say he get for bat. Me we see him. This boy they don't do what they don't tip. Correct! When I see how they act the film. Me we see how they act the film. So one way she don't go down. It is on Mazembe. That she no man way stand. Correct. Now this see young boy like this one, he no one for work. He don't time na Chinese man. Where the man Binet, he come up go buy a kako. Rats! Now money that. Where Chinese man be get him? Where one enter a motor, that boy they don't time him. He want go seize the money. Chinese man, if you don't learn karate, it kaji. You come, you not get time, oh. You come me one time, you can't pick na the money one time. So that mean the tech can go play life. When you want go do what I mean, you look out because not talk say some boy, oh this pikin, na small pikin. If you text someone say na small pikin, it will show you pepper. When I see her, she no man there where they don't jam am, only woman where they there for a foot. Correct. Again, rats. Correct. Chinese man say I'm gonna die with you. Come, we don't come to carry him. He could go now go call your boyfriend. Where? Asia Omaro. Now say don't be a yes when they learn karate. Now time this way they don't bring them for Jamie. Now Commandant Awal this. For those who they Sabiam. Picking for side for Santa, but the bunny for side for Lassen village. Yes. Small brother for Nda. Now in this way don't come turn. Commandant for side for Jamie. Yes, Commandant for groupement. Yes. Side for anti-gang. So now they control all these people where they would see them. So he say this so he never fair finish. So chapter for tip. Me we go now for side for Makia. No, we go now the side for Makepe. For Makepe, they say there's so there be plenty. Commissariat de Sécurité, Dizem. Now for number 10 district police station for site for Daido. Now commissioner that one now Commandant Chama. And that way the holder boy. Commandant Chama. Now he says for back with the eyeglasses. Now Commandant for Jamie for PG. Side for anti-gang. So he don't join with police and for side for DZM for number 10 district police station for saving them catch up. And they call contribute and saving the catch up. Now woman this where say they so in lock the door either for inside house. They broke the door, meet up ye. They say they so they get for chubby soya. Say they go chubby soya. Them plenty. And they say they so they get banga. They resist telephone. Even ID card. For those where they put the ID card for inside telephone. When I see them, I say when I see them, Mbanga na number 1. They say grade 1 day. Commissioner, you don't do fine work. You don't do fine work. When we appreciate you so, next time, if you make thing we not fine, we go so show them, eh? Because when I do fine thing, we show them, when I glad. When I want to do bad, we show them, when I vex. Now people that are telephone and that, now tie that. This one say that's all, he had not the inside. How the money meet up the kako for inside your room? Yes, now quarter head that. Quarter head the top say this so, this quarter don't bat. Say Makape Musoke say na die. Say na die. Say any man or locut. Me we come on now for that one. We come for site for and send abattoir for site for Kalabasi. What do we see? We come for that side for and send abattoir. People them flock for road. They say General Moko, who's that you there? I say I mean this at the camp. I want camp. Gendarmerie then say they so camera no must come out. I say where will be people the way will be people for television? He said no. Say camera no go film am. I look for down. I see where person is sleep. I look for corner. I see na he truck. Where the show say they so na truck pusher. Where don't come up for side for machine boppy. He go live ballon. That means he go live okay, can close them for machine kololo. He dey come back. He can't fall for this place. He fall die. And the answer for gendarmerie national where they so the person where don't die. Now their colleague gendarme, they said no. I say now when a family man, they say no. I say now when I come be, they say no. I ask them, why would they deny say me camera no film? Gendarme man tell me say this will be for come before the person one die, so that me a film. I ask them whether they so what for gendarme is they different, what for Turi people them they different. Because some people them they where they go for fee, where they not sabi what they mean say feel. Yes, gendarme man be there for office, where the enquêteur. But tell me come over your home for your office, go for fee in a different place where he get for work with journalism. Because journalism coming on for information, for go show up, so the family for the man will die, they go know that person. But they say camera no go film him. So take the tight it. After then carry him again, put her inside the pickup. Then they go with them for mortuary, where they never put even clothes for that man's skin. But she not be there, but they carry him one time, choke her inside their motor, then they go with them. All mechanic them for car, I see they say this one, they never don't see them. Because when person die, or they meet up cops for corner road, they get for tie them with bear shit. And they see some woman phone, say we take picture, go with them. Gendarmerie national again. President Paul be buy them motor, made they work at with them for quarter, for the car to people them. But we don't see some motor for car, I see. When a motor for gendarme, when a new one, but it work at in a transport. Yes, it work at the transport in a fly them. Now in that. When talk man a talk a show up. No, mean that. Now fly them never back. New motor so where we get for work at the cash TPP. Now in that. When I don't see them. So with the back Cameroon government say when I give him motor them, me when I begin to check them. This motor new one like this one, it not be get for carry different thing. Are part of criminals. So when they take and so they go now their bush. Go their farm, go cut their plantain, put her inside. And where President Paul Biya no be give am for say me them do a different work day. And for post security for town and for quarter. But we don't see him, he do different thing. Yes, so image that way we still the work on top. Where we go see government motor where we turn up from van, they carry passenger for go to Walla and ask them whether they don't start the make transport. Anyhow we do, we on and for see him and then show him how we get for show him. Me we come on over Kalabasi, we climb now small for go for Machine Boppy. Machine Boppy, he says, he didn't say na tradition. I say Sunday. It not be easy for Sunday. They say General Moko, who say you there? And when they come, some pep on pep, don't come up from Godi Aqua. One time take a shot and then come up for Ante for Peri and then they can't lose him. And this man he shop where the boss so the man he be travel for go buy another kako. He don't come now where all kako he don't born. President for all business people from Bopi, Martin Lojo, yes, Lojo Martin, yes, Lojo Martin, yes. Now he name that. Now he be president for all business people from side for Bopi market. Now he wait he talk say this so. This thing don't pass it. And they thank all watch night and watch day them for Machine Boppy as they don't try all and then they lost this fire. Say it over glad. Say it over glad. Plenty. He over glad. Let my you countryman. Someone they ask and say, how do they pass Facebook? No. Say where they work on top. When you go finish, you go see him. They say for Cameroon for buy motor na one thing, for Sabi drive na one thing, because driving school now they have a place where they play ball and they learn driving na for night. Me we go now for side for Bonaberi, Sunday sharp morning time. They say, today man you no go rest. What you don't happen? They say come quick, and you want come, you come with camera. 5:30 a.m. Now way today man he come out boo, he reach for Bonaberi for Ansel Road. We see him. Mimbo na bad thing, but it intermop. I say na my motor that. My motor small time they go break. As he don't overtake Molo, take Molo. He forget for don't say there's so small time, he get for go back for house so that me go for church, go thank God. How God don't guide you from Monday, go for Saturday evening. As he fly, so another motor to the camp. Now where they make his smoke. Move there, can't see side where this driver go land. Who's that steering there? They don't see man. Ha! I say for Bonaberi, they wear motor then they fly. Motor then they fly. Sit up for Saturday and Sunday. Now person this way, you know, make a kiss mop. You all motor too. One eye it don't broke, and then the other side. Okada where the fly to na fly. It can't to tumble side. Make scissor, and then a fall for this man he on waste stream. Motor scatter. I said motor scatter. And when I jam thing for doing with money, when I give for to man. Motor, why man they use motor? Can't sell them for we will see they fine. But with the use we on go sell them, we don't spoil all. When I see him, this man with the talk now, they did now. Now number 4 day, where they did for doctor for site for Bonasama. Where did they take medicine? Asha, where you want drink, not touch steering. Where you want touch steering, me you know say this so you not get for dream member. We come on now, we go now for site where they call them for Limbe, my 4, Bonadikomo. I say man when they were offside, he don't fall Njangi. They say no, now tell her where you say you want enter taxi walk. They say taxi work they give money and taxi work. Now what way where you make taxi, you must get show them careless. He don't match break for play way, he be get for park na park. He be come. They say that's so small. He go for match breaks, he go mine a fire. Can't see the way motor fly. Then Mikael. Now in this now they get for wake up motor wake up him. And the driver get caught for a foot. And now foot way begin for use them for the match sewing machine. Me it is so close. Now in this. Those when they be there for church, all then they come out because Monday for Cyber Limbe, people they go play ball, and then someone they go there for church for go prayer for peace. And then people in there for inside quarter and for men Njangi, because Njangi na first insurance for poor man. Well, when I Asha, when I try for wake up am, who said the man says a day? How you go leave your work tailoring work and then you go into different kind of work? Hey boom! When I look at her, mama when I come over back day, woman and like play with accident don't happen and play with they don't catch him man. They just can pass all that time only for corner. They turn and they don't know the person. Only they turn. When I don't succeed there, this man will be working money. He will take that money, go open BB place, buy plenty sewing machine, and then me picking and can the learn work for day. He take and go buy motor because all man for Limbe he want get a motor. And this now. It remains him over kill you. It remains him over kill you. So if we're there, you go driving school in the proper. When you don't finish know now, they go give you driving license. Although it be possible for Cameroon, driver and they plenty where they drive, where they not get driving license, but they circulate for town. And then play away one bat, they just talk say take this one. Play away one bat, they just match now. Say take them. Okay. May we ask them now for Tourism Live and Countryman. We ask them for correspondent for LTM, for site for Limbe. Countryman, where to your eye is here? Match fire.
Yes, countryman, I did now so for my call in there. As we talk now, so we did for just not far from the my back. We just done, we see how Moko just fly, they come out for the entrance, the fly just enter for inside here, and we just thank God so nobody be harmed. But the driver just get a small wound for food. Countryman, we don't know whether this driver on our way to happen with him. After we talk, the driver he gave into a food and he showed to go hospital. The thing just happened. As I look my time now, my time to show 25 minutes past 6, and I'm on the way that goes down to inside Limbe. So countryman, I think I will happen to inside for my phone for Limbe.
Asha, when I begin to concentrate for what you is doing. Yes, lucky. Live and countryman. Me when I she don't quiet, see am because a fine for the talk they show. They say when Nyanga it is sleep na only trouble they can't wake up in. What the way don't happen for side from Mbot village under Cambe Center for Donga Mantum and for Northwest Cameroon. Man don't buy a cow them, keep them. And then he put the guy knock away the pay. This man he take collapse. Call cow so take one he don't die. When I know how much one cow they cost. This thing that thing where we get for talk am insist on top because jealous mind na sick. Me we gonna have a Mbot go see am because we get for talk me when I see am. This cow and this so they pass them na pass oh. I say they pass na pass. This countryman when na title holder. He take all that way don't shampoo and fine. Now he wear a chapia cow then they. Chapia 6 cow them. 1 is that at the spot and then 5 is the way they don't know how they go do with them. When I see them, so they be the person they go for sideway they get for go chop grass. This title man he don't enter for inside trouble because now we will talk so. Title man is there for police their hand for place where they call him for Binju. Where you want look at when I see him? Na collapse we don't use them for chapia with them so. I say na collapse he don't use them for chapia. Now the title holder that. Title holder, what you don't make you. Now you there for police the hand, you the beg now. And this man he named it come and say, Share Boniface. Tashe Boniface Chefon. When I picking for side for Mbot. And when this cow, man we get this cow, they call him na Dr. Yauba. Dr. Yauba Saido. Dr. Yauba Saido na he cow then. And they say this cow we don't chop this countryman, he sugar cane. Now thing where they be arrange him, so tell they be give some money, it remain small one. Now we cow the person a pass for go find grass for chopper. You still bring colors again. Can't chapia the cow. Now, what you get for talk now for the man? Doctor Mr. Yauba. When a doctor, strong doctor. Now in this. And we're not there for country. Now he own capital. And he don't put and say this so. Me that they look at this cow when he don't born, they visit them, make something for village. Bring development for your own quarter. Now in this way, this title man, he don't go chapiaram. So, when time for talk, we will talk. But person where he be title man, he no get for act this kind of action. He no look normal. When you want to look at now, this man, he picture they all side for social media. He they all side for newspaper. Because thing we don't do he not correct. Even now what if he reverse you? Oh, you be reversed the not video your money, you for call the man. Because after where you don't do this action, police catch you now, you don't make again a message for the man say, sometime na witchcraft. Sometime na devil don't pass for his skin. Live and countryman. They ask him now say, countryman, we want call. No, we will call. Now we could go for side where they come and say for Ako for Yetin way I for LTM for Ako, Mr. Carter. he get for Tewi. Countryman, we yesterday so picking them, they get for start jamation. How it happen for that side for Akko? We yet we go report for that side. Hello?
This one government technical high school Akko for inside Akko subdivision. Where now the subdivisional headquarters for inside the Akko subdivision. Right behind me, you will notice a lot of satisfaction. Say we get students them, pupils them, where they come out class 6. We get students them from GBHS Akko, where they come for here today on the occasion for the open door day, where they call them the open business day, and where it will be presided over by the principal for this particular institution, when Mr. Zonda Stephen will lead. During this open door day, the various picking them, they be exhibit various trades. We get electricity, we get woodwork, we get motor mechanics, we get home economics, we get cloth making or dress making, where they be exhibit the satisfaction for their parents. And the aim for this particular occasion, what they call them say open business door day, now for exhibit, now for showcase the institution, the capability. So the occasion is now right behind the observer with a lot of satisfaction. Say, Papa them, they don't see wait that they go for this institution. When you don't encourage Papa them or send more picking them for inside government technical high school. Because the impression we people get that in those things say when you send picking for inside technical school, now wasting time. But this morning, for inside government technical high school Akko, Papa they don't see the practical part for technical school. They don't see how they are picking, they do electricity, they reconstruct chairs them, they do other things them, and when they be satisfied. So, for the LTM television news, I've been doing that where the report live inside GHS Akko, Lycée Technique de Akko.
I want to tell country people them say this day it will be a wonderful day because God will inspired my staff them, my teachers them, my collaborators them for do it the way they don't. When I don't say I'm saying they don't do it. It was God's inspiration. So we give glory to God. We thank God plenty. And when they talk for all countrymen way, they never know about technical education. So that the only way for success. Not be means all the picking them. Government not give them work all, but would want say may they create work for and employ other people them for help government too.
Thank you.
So now time where those where they be hearing for talk. Now on time this now where you get right for call and then talk. Because first number be being a number for WhatsApp. Where you look and now you see say this so they don't write and say call only. I'm saying that this number then where you go for use them for call. Then if you talk say WhatsApp number, you go to call WhatsApp number. Huh? Way not be normal. So where till you get for talk, me you call, you talk, but you get now only 20 seconds. Before you want call, make sure say you off the volume for your TV. If you there for inside crowd, you come out, go for side way, quiet. Hello, countryman.
Good morning, Moko.
Good morning. How are you now, countryman? Yes. How when I don't sleep for that side?
I was asking you for friends, Moko.
Okay, we hear you.
That man will call. So if I made a take that title back for you, made a call for partners, take that title for you, punish it. So that the other title holder they give for them. When you get that kind of title, you give a behavior responsible man, Moko. Made a move that title for his kid. Not so responsible man is give or title person. Give a show example. Made a move that title for you. So that the other one that they left. Thank you very much, Moko.
Thank you, countryman. First call I open up aside for yes 650 060608498. May we talk now. Yes, we take another person. Hello? Hello? Good morning, sir. You don't go. So caller don't go. We get for take another person again. Make sure say you off the volume for your TV, countryman. Good morning, sir. Okay, that one the beep na beep. Hello? Good morning, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm just fine. How about you too?
Fine, Dr. Abadan Jogi from Abattoir.
Yes. You will see how they will show your road for Abattoir, no?
I see how they show my route for Abattoir. The way when you talk today, so it be like a computer thing for your head. They think don't wonder me.
How?
And the thing where I tell you for the way, for the thing where it is for your memoir for it. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Another person again. Hello, countryman. Hello? Okay. Some no one call or the one beep na bibo. They beep na beep. They don't beep again for Cameroon. Credit cheap now. Hello?
Hello, good morning, Moko.
Morning.
Good morning, Moko.
Good morning for you, countryman. Huh? Say now. Yes, what you going to tell me for that side?
Yeah.
So that is a fund them they get for look inside matter.
Okay,
Then they hear you fine, and they salute you too. Hello? Hello? We salute all man when we watch the program for that side for Beitoa. We don't forget those for Ebolova. They did now for Canada television. Hello?
Hello?
Come up for corner noise, madam.
Hello?
Come up for corner noise. Hello?
Yeah, Moko, good morning.
Morning, oh.
Yeah,
Yes.
The accident for Alcerude.
Yes.
Yes, I need to say that they have been here in life. So, even that motor is see the kiso, we don't look up until we woke up and we don't return beside for them for us. So, concern that one for Molo, the drink of France, you know, say the young boy then died for accident. So, the motor, they just move on for God, just move on, just go, with their friend and they live life. When they finish and drink and so they enter inside motors, only speak once and for all, the word is too much, So, all the truth and then so wrong to deal with different and then now, they fly for their couple come over there. You can not jump now for that place or that black one in the chair, so if you don't get it for them up and for sure, maybe for them became pass so I think that way pass with it.
Okay. So this countryman be there for the life. Hello, countryman. Hello? Morning.
Good morning.
Who they call the person there for outside? Another person again. Hello?
Oh, good morning, Moko. Jonas, I call from Bajok. That means Ezeka.
Yes. How about Ezeka?
No, Ode manage.
When I drink that kind of mimbo too?
No, sir. Now maybe a bit Matango for Bajok for Ezeka. You did call me Jonas Matango. But which way I did see it is for me. Because we handle where we do for pushing. People they do that thing for town. If it be like me, I be there. I don't really know what they are for doing. Because beating for even pass. Because now we handle with this spoiler. Me, I be Jonas Matango for Bajok.
Okay.
Now finish for inside is it that Moko. I really time with you. I don't see. I'm seeing yesterday. I try for when they go. Thank you.
Thank you. We salute Oman for Ezeka. Hello?
Thank you.
When you call where you know could respect, wait away, we need them. Let me say we know they with you. Hello? Hello?
Hello, Moko.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who they call the person then for which side?
No, we said that for Yaounde.
Yes. With you 20 seconds.
Then I said that time to put them in the move for you because I want that disgrace. But that is not to
Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Mr. Otto,
yeah, long time we never hear you again, Mr. Otto.
Okay.
So,
I don't know that friend that man
okay, that car with the cocotam. Now we are on site.
No, my side. I just look at what those say. How the victory, the title come go put them on useless head. Because that man, I useless head with the use to do that one way do. So because I never could look and find. They don't put that cover head. Because no man will be to that. He has said they don't sugarcane as you told the sugarcane. Sugarcane can plant can be planted and grow back. Or if they put the head, if it continue to grow. But see how? No, not grow again.
Thank you, countryman. Right. Yes. Okay. Thank you. We salute to Mr. Alois. Mr. Alois, when a driver. Hello? Hello? Mr. Alois.
Yes.
Come good for today as well. How about you, no countryman?
I see you, I miss you.
You didn't have Ozai?
They are from Commando.
Yes. Now, man for commando. Well, man for commando. At least now, driver, international driver. We follow the program every day. So we salute Mr. Alois. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, how about you, sir?
Now God.
Yes. Now, Dr. Kumaro, but he go the talk.
You will come up for inside noise, Mr. Doctor.
Okay. Now, maybe this are you come out.
Yes, wait till you go for 10 weeks for 20 seconds. Respect the time, eh?
Yes, that man for that matango. It is so. That man get for get some casting.
Yes.
And the man is sorry. That matango they give frontal mix down. Yeah, so still with matango they give.
But now all matango they give us.
All matango one way they put chemical for they give frontal mix down. Very plastic. Yes. That's why that way we see majority matango people they are one I don't push. When don't drink that one when they put that DT for there.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, now we said that the call for Yaounde.
Yaounde for us, when I want to call for Yaounde, we'll tell you the quarter. Yes, we'll hear you.
If I want to talk about that matter, when I say, you they don't go in details because they ever talk, they know to move with that fire. That matango, so if you want to some people say for behind that matango. So they get that they call for Moko outside. So you cut and those more time. You want to go for Moko was seen at the very matango where they sell and put it. So they go in detail, see what happen for that matango. Because if you go for Moko, now go see where they say the very matango for it.
Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Who they call the person that was I?
Yeah, my every member calling to dollar.
Yes, we hear you.
Yeah, now because of that man of Matango.
Yes.
But that people that are criminal persons. And then you say, I want that justice resolve them because I feel they have to do. It's not fine. It's not good.
Thank you. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning. Who do you call?
Abubakar Siddiqui Diala.
Oui.
People are the people who Kadaka or the Red Man Kota. What the man for liver, Mutangu for Wogo, and I don't do.
Okay. When I want call, when I try wait for come out for corner television. Good morning.
Morning, Tom Fumot.
Yes, Tom for Fumot. I don't see your finish. They say they don't begin a corner cow now.
How for you?
Are they fine, Mr. Tom?
Okay. I thought I have my title, man. We don't cut that cow there. That was the problem, eh? Because if I'm able to pay all my cow, oh.
Huh?
If I'm able to pay that cow there, oh. If I'm a cow, we go pay, oh. That one we don't go for police, that one are not in. If I'm able to pay that cow, oh.
That means if you say police not go solve the problem?
If the people solve the problem, say, so then we go with it, don't say, I beg. If I just make a clear eye.
Huh?
I can't take mine.
Okay.
Yeah, even for me, I don't say that one that they work.
Sometimes the devil don't enter his kid, no?
Yeah, sometimes I don't enter him. You go seek out with the pass apply, you go cut that, you know, fine.
Well.
Yeah. Okay, so one person.
Yes, we say we dey salute Madam, and not say Madam don't finish turn back for village, and then we salute all the family, we salute all the neighbor them.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Who dey pronounce the cause, sir?
Okay, I forget what those are.
Yes.
I want to talk about that memo.
Yes, that Matango.
That matter.
Yes.
For me, I came home as a folk me don't do that. Like the other is a one pound machine.
Yes.
The case of this, they go to the doctor, me look here, when I don't pay them so. Even don't think they don't die. When they look up now, the way they are the thing. But sometimes they begin to create something on come back to Cameroon where they complicate. That time is one way. Not that they don't even tell them go look up. Then now the other for that matter. I don't also one time where I say, when first people they see something, they make a make they look and say, now what did you fight for that thing? Sometimes I'm fighting things for that thing with the people. Me help people in the country.
Uh-huh.
I look at my own, I look at the other way, I don't look at the other way, people, but if you look at the good other way too, so then I'm fighting.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning.
If you will come out for corner noise, we will continue with you, but if you don't come out, we will take different person because in this for respect, what we will need them. We salute to man when they can say, Shea Baba, yes, Shea Baba, yes, Shea Baba, we watch the program. And then we salute to person when they can say, Shea Donato, we na picking for site for Kochi, it is done for site where they call them for Kribi. We salute to Madam Shea Donato, we for Manga. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Who never announced the call, sir?
Now, Jubilee that I call for dollar.
Yes, Mr. Jubilee, you call for the one for which place for day?
Day for the photo.
Yes, where did you get them for we countryman?
People have to get them for talk now about Palava, that white name, that woman, they fix them.
Yes.
For me, I teach the woman not get problem because the person work not day. Man, they try your own way for job. How you could day.
Uh-huh.
But the first one first not say if they be the employ people them they work, the woman not forget the idea for the expert name. So the friend are you wait for job.
Okay.
If you want to go sometime like from Manchester and town the other people them for road. If they don't drive you for some side, it could do her before feed the family.
Well, it goes strong, eh?
It goes strong. And then that one too, you know, fine for the woman inside because it don't make us say don't decide plenty people that live.
We don't see two. We don't see two son your countryman we don't concord some person cow.
If you send a Palava cow, first you know say cow they destroy and that people they talk say they get their license them for cow. Jankali tax. If you say Jankali tax, me I get my own farm, my simple farmer they talk for day. You see that cow come from my farm. I will cut the cow say plus you I will cut them because when we go for Kitu in front, you go get your money pass me.
But this one I say cow be the person for road cow, not be the not be going for farm. So now one thing to that. Some more time we can't come out. Where you get them talk, me you talk now because after the program, not be a program again. Hello? We We salute all man where they follow the program for that side for Beshi. Hello?
Hello?
Off the volume for your TV. May we use the head for do things where people they need them. You the correct man for here. Another person they do the very thing for different side. Hello? Hello?
Hello, General Moko, morning.
Morning, how are you?
Oh, fine, General Moko. I come from Idi now.
Yeah, how about eating now today?
Idi now, they fine, General Moko.
Where did you go for talk with the Yaounde now, sir?
General Moko, that man where he must wait for taxi, so the taxi go to Mosai. That one na killing, that's a part of killing.
Oh, now for my phone.
Now for my phone for Lime.
Yes.
Well, General Moko, me, that man I'm not sure I get driving license.
They say now tell everyone enter for inside taxi work. Now enter for them.
Well, thank you, General Moko. You know fine. My police are not expecting for get driving license.
Anyhow, we did salon me all man for side for 89. Wait. Now who? Now Mr. George.
Yes, Mr. George.
Yes, I know.
I don't see that thing go Matango, so it did knock my head to remand.
That means you be man for Matango?
I need to take Matango, me and they take me Matango.
Yes.
But I decline at the people they get for suffer because of that Matango way they drink. The only thing that will catch all the people then go for Moko to catch all them because now the reason way they get them. Yeah, they get to catch all them.
Okay.
They got part of that cow, so now only prison, you know nothing to do. If you call a complaint, say move to demand animal. Me go prison, you if you take knife, you can cut animal way they live like that. No, it's not correct.
Yeah. Okay, we don't hear you. We take another person again.
So you go for prison.
Okay. Small time now.
Hello?
Good morning, countryman. Your own name and the side where the cause are.
Yeah, now Emmanuel, I call from Betwa.
Yes, Emmanuel, the cover better. What you go tell me?
I want to talk for that man who don't cut that cow. I want to talk to General Moko. No go to the wrong head fire. I want to talk to the cow who be the cow for one shot to collect for your house go begin the cut foul. Cow. That means that man that cow don't show this for that man thing. You don't go for police. You don't see you don't sell man for foul for cow. Now so don't see if you go again, you don't go for you. But I cut them so. So other man who cut that cow for no nothing. Let us go for that thing fine look and find right.
But now we don't cut them now, and the very police don't catch it now. Either for Bakanta where they look now road for prison. Now, who they for losses? Who they forget now?
I think all them could have losses to come out of cow so go to that car. I don't think the police will judge case one side. They will join all the two sides.
Okay. Hello, countryman. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Now, madam.
Yes, madam.
How about you know?
Are you fine?
Who they call the you didn't have also come up for corner television? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who they call the person there outside? Hello? Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Hello.
Good morning. Who they call the person there which side?
Yes, General Moko.
Okay. We not get time. The time don't finish. Sometime we'll call her tomorrow. Hello?
Hello. Good morning.
Morning, madam.
Now, I to go back.
Yeah, I have a buffer now. So what you get for talk?
I want to talk about that title over. If I say they move me for that title, I destroy that
over. Well, so the program not finish. The program not finish. Me man not call again. Me man make and come out for the play because if we continue as more time, they go talk say BBC because. So when you want video something for send and for to man, me hold your Android phone at this size. When I look my own, When you hold and so na size for camera. And when you hold and so you video and you send them for we, make to show say this so you could tell we where it happen and for which place where it happen. Because plenty people and they don't send we video them where they don't hold their phone and so. When you video something where you don't hold your phone, so not the waste your data for nothing because we never use them. Because we not get this kind of television where they stand for also for Cameroon. We get we on a flat screen television where you must hold your phone so for make video. Country people. So with the time, man, when you can say Mr. Francois and SSF, it be match button for that side. Meanwhile, Mr. Lobe, where SSF be there for camera. Say way, Lande say way, it be there for site for Facebook page for Mekam. Me when I get the information through the Facebook page where now General Moko Njangi House LTM. I'll be back when I say this. So, man, way they follow we through with page. The only thing we feel every day now for take the link and then share them for you come with them so that me then watch through their program. When they deny for share, that means say when I know they help the program for no nothing. Country people. Because when you share the link, when something there for some site. Where the link we don't go reach for it, it go call we or you go take your phone video send them for we. That means say don't help we. But if you do watch them, you know they share the link. That means say na bad thing where you do them, you know correct. So some man of God for site for the book, you don't send we some video with the beg. You say this, so me tell we what it really happened because we not understand what it really happened for that side. So we could go now and for go no for go sleep now for work again forget. Element them who send them for when tomorrow. We on work now for worker anytime 12 midnight we dey only for upside for fine report. Even now for 12 daytime we also did now for fine report. So you go help with you for fine them so that we work together. We dey we on now for make Cameroon go before we know they now for scatter country. Now why that way they decide for give me the name General Moko the only general for Cameroon where the worker he on now with broom for sweep country me. Country the shine and the sweeping where we sweep am dirty they go now inside water. Me water carry am go with them for different country. Go move on for that side. But me Cameroon it clean. So we salute all the ministers where they don't shit on now. They watch the program. We salute all the mayors where they don't shit on. They watch the program. All the parliamentarians and then we salute to all the councillor with the great all man where he follow the program today. Say tomorrow nasty day where we get plenty to read for program for when tomorrow. 10 o'clock now the time where you get for Siam, take your telephone, use them for call. Me will go now for go find the one when I will see them tomorrow. Bye bye.